Whoa, have you ever wondered, why do we sneeze?
Maybe because I tickled your nose.
Well, kind of. Sneezing is like our body's superpower to clean out our nose. When dust, germs, or even a tiny tickle from a feather gets inside, our brain tells our nose, time to eject. Our body sends a super fast message to our lungs, making them push out air at up to 100 miles per hour. That's like a mini explosion inside your nose.
Whoa, human air.
Exactly. That's why we should always cover our mouth when we sneeze, to stop germs from spreading.
Block myself in space?
Not quite, but you did just help clean out your nose. So, next time you sneeze, remember, it's just your body doing a little spring cleaning.
How I now?